In this video, I will drop my 30 best life advices I wish I knew in my 20s, and ultimately my objective here is to fast track your life around 6 key pillars: education and learning, personal growth, personal finance, career, relationships, and health. So if ever you're trying to figure it all out, this video is your roadmap to the best decade of your life. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started with education and learning. As a professional in my 30s with a master's degree in business management, I can confidently say formal education is vital foundation, but it's just the first chapter of your learning journey, not the entire book. Traditional schooling don't teach you crucial life skills like effective communication, accelerated learning techniques, and even self-understanding. If you don't proactively work on those skills, you're setting yourself up for significant challenges down the road. Let's dive into the key strategies to maximize your lifelong educational experience. 1. Never stop learning. New skills are constantly in demand. Keep expanding your knowledge and your capabilities. Remember, the most successful individuals are those who never stop learning. 2. Always seek to improve yourself. We are living in a golden age of digital education where you can have access to any information within one click. So read blog posts, watch video tutorials, listen to podcasts. Keep learning current information and practical skills that will improve your life drastically. 3. Embrace failures as learning opportunities. Each setback is a chance to grow and improve, so don't be afraid to make mistakes. 4. Find a mentor. Seek guidance from someone who's walked the path you aspire to follow. Because a mentor can provide insights from their own experiences, offer career advice, help you navigate challenges they've already overcome. This will save you years of trial and error. Your 20s are a critical period for self-actualization. Let's explore the key areas you need to focus on to live a fulfilled and purposeful life. 5. Cultivate a growth mindset. Everything happens for a reason. Unfortunately, things will happen to you, but always trust that something better is coming. Doing this will help you develop resilience and achieve your goals faster than you ever thought possible. 6. Practice gratitude. It's easy to get caught in the cycle of negativity, but gratitude can be your lifeline. Start a gratitude journal and commit to writing down 3 things you're thankful for each day. This simple practice can rewire your brain for positivity and significantly boost your overall well-being. 7. Question your assumptions and never take anything for granted. Develop your critical thinking skills by regularly challenging your own beliefs and seeking clarification from others. 8. Embrace self-reflection and feedback. Self-awareness is a superpower. Dedicate time each week for self-reflection through journaling or meditation. Feedback is the fastest source of improvement. 9. Stop people-pleasing. Constantly seeking approval is an exhausting and limiting way to live. Instead, focus on building authentic connections and earning respect through your actions and skills. Your uniqueness is your strength. 10. Balance self-belief with openness to learning. Confidence is crucial, but so is humility. Believe in your abilities, but always remain open to learning and improving. Ask yourself, if I don't believe in myself, who will? Then follow it up with, what can I learn today to become even better? 11. Take ownership of your future and develop actionable plans. Goals without plans are just wishes. Break down your aspirations into smaller, achievable steps. Use tools like the SMART goal framework, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, to create a roadmap to success. 12. Explore as much as you can. 20s are prime time for new experiences. Travel to unfamiliar places, engage with strangers, and try activities outside of your comfort zone. This will help you paint a clearer picture of who you are and what you want. 13. Build resilience through change. Life is unpredictable. Develop your resilience by embracing change rather than resisting it. Practice adaptability in small ways daily, so when big changes come, you're ready to navigate them. 14. Learn to find balance in every aspect of your life. Balance is key, but be careful, it doesn't mean equality. It means harmony. Balance means being able to go and touch extremes to better understand what is the fair meal and what you're capable of. 20s are the ideal time for establishing financial habits that will serve you for decades. Let me introduce you to some golden rules to set you up for financial success. 15, learn how money works. Track your expenses, learn personal finance, learn about investment vehicles, from index funds to real estate. Remember, the more you understand about money, the more confidently you can navigate your financial future. 16, harness the magic of compound interest. Albert Einstein was not exaggerating when he called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Here's how to make it work for you. Start investing now, even if it's just $50 a month. Set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts. Choose low-cost index funds for long-term growth. Use compound interest calculators to visualize your potential wealth. Imagine this. Investing just $200 monthly from age 25 to 65 could potentially grow to over $600K with a 7% annual return. That's the power of starting early. Focus on building wealth, not showing off. True wealth is not about flashy possessions. Here's how to build real financial security. Resist lifestyle inflation as your income grows. Prioritize experiences over material possessions. Invest in assets that appreciate over time, like skills, real estate, stocks. Practice stealth wealth. Be rich without looking rich, like Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, etc. Remember, the millionaire next door often drives a used car and lives in a modest home. Focus on your financial foundation, not impressions. 20s are prime time for career exploration and laying the groundwork for professional success. Let's explore strategies to navigate this crucial decade. 18, work as hard as you can and discover your limits. Can you work 2 hours, 4 hours, 10 hours, 14 hours? Push your boundaries and discover your limits. 19, align your work with your values. A paycheck alone won't fulfill you long term. Here's how to find meaningful work. Identify your core values: creativity, impact, respect, autonomy, whatever. Research companies whose missions resonate with you. And if you don't find any, create your own company. When your work aligns with your values, Monday mornings become something you look forward to. 20, master the art of time management. In the professional world, time is your most precious resource. Here's how to maximize it. Use the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize your tasks based on urgency and importance. Implement time blocking in your calendar. Learn to say no to non-essential commitments. Batch similar tasks for increased efficiency. 21, set goals for career growth. Clear, actionable goals are your roadmap to success. Here's how to craft them. Be specific. I will earn a project management certification instead of I want to advance my career. Measurable. I will apply to 10 jobs per month instead of I will job hunt. Achievable. Ensure your goals stretch you but within reach. Relevant. Align goals with your long-term career vision. And time-bound, set deadlines to create urgency. Example, I will complete an online data analysis course and apply for 3 data analyst positions by end of this quarter. 20s are crucial for building lasting, meaningful connections. Here's how to nurture a thriving social circle. 22, curate your circle with intention. Not all friendships are created equal, and here's how to build a supportive network. Regularly assess your relationships. Do they energize you? Do they drain you? Practice setting boundaries with toxic individuals. Seek out people who challenge you to grow and support your goals. Remember, it's okay to outgrow certain relationships and let go. 23, prioritize quality over quantity. Focus on cultivating deep connections. Check in regularly with close friends. Practice vulnerability and open communication. Show up consistently for people who matter the most. Engaged in shared experiences that create lasting memories. A few true friends are worth more than 1,000 acquaintances. 24, build a strategic professional network. Your network can be your greatest career asset, and here's how to cultivate it. Attend industry events and conferences. Engage genuinely on professional social media platforms. Offer value before asking for favors. Follow up and build professional relationships over time. Networking is about building authentic relationships, not just collecting business cards. 25, treat yourself well first before wanting to help others. Your relationship with yourself sets the tone for all other relationships. Define and maintain healthy boundaries. Practice self-care and prioritize your well-being. Don't compromise your values for the sake of relationship. Celebrate your achievements and forgive your mistakes. When you respect yourself, you attract others who will respect you too. 26. Master the art of communication. Effective communication is the foundation of all strong relationships. Practice active listening. Focus on understanding, not just responding. Develop empathy by trying to see situations from others' perspectives. Express yourself clearly and assertively. Learn to have difficult conversations with honesty. Communication is a skill. The more you practice, the better you'll become. 20s are the perfect time to establish habits that will keep you healthy for decades to come. Here's how to build a strong foundation for lifelong well-being. 27. Feed your body mindfully. You truly are what you eat. Learn the basics of nutrition. Focus on whole, unprocessed food. Stay hydrated. Aim for 8 glasses of water daily. Learn to cook simple, healthy meals at home. 28. Make exercise a daily priority. Regular exercise is crucial for both physical and mental health. Find activities you genuinely enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, whatever. Aim for at least 2.5 hours of moderate intensity exercise per week. Exercise is a celebration of what your body can do, not a punishment for what you ate. 29. Prioritize quality sleep. Sleep is your body's time to repair and recharge. Here's how to optimize it. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep nightly. Establish a consistent sleep schedule even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary, dark, quiet, and cool. Limit screen before bed. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a biological necessity for optimal functioning. 30. Invest in your mental well-being. Mental health is just as important as physical health, and here's how to nurture it. Practice mindfulness or meditation daily. Seek therapy when needed. It's a sign of strength, not weakness. Learn healthy stress management techniques like deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, for example. Stay connected with supportive friends and family. Your mental health affects every aspect of your life. Prioritize it accordingly. By focusing on these key areas, education, personal growth, finance, relationships, and health, you're setting yourself up for a thriving, fulfilling life. 20s are time for exploration, growth, and laying the foundation for the decades to come. Embrace the journey, learn from your experiences, and keep pushing forward. Your future self will thank you for the investments you make today. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if that was helpful, please hit that subscribe button and share what piece of advice resonates the most with you in the comments below. Until next time, take care.